We'll guide you through how to make dual monitors show different things. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in the situation of where you've got yourself a second monitor and you've gone and connected it. This can be really convenient to do because you can then go and have more space to go and work on your screens. But perhaps you're just finding that they're showing the same thing, as you can see. And this isn't ideal because that probably isn't the reason why you got another monitor, just to go and have the same thing. You want to go and have it be a separate screen. So you can go and drag windows over it, go and have different pages on there. And it's a really convenient setup, and it finds I can really increase my productivity. So we're gonna guide you through how you can go and show different things. So to go and get started, what you need to do is come onto one of the monitors. I'll just go onto this left one here. It doesn't really matter. Now, what you need to do is go and open your settings. So you can go and find the Windows Start button at the bottom or press search, and you can then open your settings. In here, you want to go over to the left and go and press system, and you want to go and find display. If that doesn't work or you can't find the option, right click, find the option for display settings. Just make sure you right click somewhere blank. This will then go and open up and you'll go and see the display here, and in the bottom right, it will go and say duplicate these displays. And then what you want to do is go and press extend these displays like so. Now just go and wait. And as you can see, it's going to go and reload. And now they're going to go and show different things. Now there's a few other things I want to quickly guide you through as well. But if it looks okay to you, you can go and press keep changes. So you can go and see the two displays here. You may want to go and press identify. You can go and see these are already correctly in the right order. They represent as they are in real life. But if they aren't, you can click, hold and drag to go and reposition it. And what you can also do is go and drag it up or down. So if you've got different sized monitors, you can adjust this because you want them to be aligned on the display settings here, because if they aren't, let me just go and press apply here. If they aren't aligned, when you go and drag windows over, they're gonna go and be different. They aren't gonna go and drag across as they are. They'll go and just be really like distorted. So you want to go and have these aligned here and just have them in the right order. So when you go and drag them across, they actually go and appear. Otherwise, if you have them the other way around, you have to drag them over to this side for it to go across. It just isn't ideal. So that's how you can go and set it up. You can go and scroll further down here and you can select each monitor to adjust this and make one of the main displays. So if I wanted one to be that, I'd select that. Then I could press make this my main display. And you can go and continue scrolling down and changing different things. For example, the scale, the resolution, the orientation, which is all really useful to go and get the dual monitors set up and go and have them showing different things. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with another how-to guide. We post them every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you out again. Have a great day and goodbye for now.